Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the air sound. The air sound is a trigraph or special friends because it has 3 letters that make the air sound. We've got an A, an I, an R, and together they make the air sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Air, air, air. Well done. Let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the air sound. Oh, I found a chair. Can you hear the air sound at the end of chair? Chair, chair. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the air sound. What is this? Oh, it's some hair. Can you hear the air sound at the end of hair? Hair, hair. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the air sound. Socks. Ooh, socks doesn't use the air sound. I know, it's a pair of socks. Can you hear the air sound in pair? Pair, pair. Well done. So, pair, hair, and chair all use the air sound. Now, we're going to have a go at writing the air sound. To write the air sound, we need to write the letter A, the letter I, and the letter R. So for our A, we start at the top, we go all the way around and down. For our I, we start there, we go down, little flick, and dot. And for our R, start at the top, all the way down, back up and round. Now I want you joining in at home. So give your magic fingers a big stretch, give them a wobble, give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing. And remember, you can use your other hand to write on with your magic finger. Now, magic fingers, off we go. Start at the top, all the way round and down. Start at the top, down, little flick and dot. Start at the top, all the way down, back up and round. Well done. Let's do it one more time using your magic finger. And start at the top, all the way around and down. Start at the top, down, little flick, magic finger off, dot. And start at the top, all the way down, back up and round. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the air sound. Our first word today is fair. My turn first. Air, fair. Your turn. Fair. My turn again. Air, fair. Your turn. Fair. Excellent. Our next word today is pear. My turn first. Air, pear. Your turn. Pear. My turn again. Air, pear. Your turn. Pear. Excellent. And our last word for today is chair. Now, chair has got a digraph and a trigraph. We've got ch and air. So, ch, air, chair. Your turn. Chair. My turn again. Ch, air, chair. Your turn. Chair. Well done. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the air sound. Well done. You should be really proud of how hard you've worked today. And I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.